is Callie and this is my TX16S MK3.
This is Kian Rousseau. I'm a professional drone racer.
I am Pepper. I am 11 years old from Thailand.
This is Min Jae Kim from Korea. I'm a professional drone racing pilot.
Hi, my name is Colin Bell from Canada.
来自悟空俱乐部的飞手李浩哲，我飞无人机已经有7年的时间了。
Hi everybody, my name is Noikal FPV.
Hi, my name is Lucas from Germany.
I'm Gabriel Barrasso, a racing pilot from Australia.
My name is Risa Rizzo. I'm from Italy and I'm a drone racing pilot.
My nickname is engraved on the power button. It represents my spirit and feelings while racing.
I chose the color red and to put my name on the nameplate. I like the way that the red stands out, and seeing my name on the radio reminds me of who I am.
As you can see, it fits perfectly my big hands.
It introduces a brand new shape that feels good for my pinching style, but feels especially optimized for thumbers who rest 3 or 4 fingers on the back of the radio.
The silky smooth CNC gimbals.
Everything is tunable of this AGO2 gimbal.
There's no stickiness, perfectly smooth and adjustable however you like it.
同时还拥有一块超大屏幕
which is a touchable screen.
How I can customize my LEDs to whatever I want.
Inside, there's an STM32 H7 processor that makes the system feel faster and more responsive.
This radio is the dual band Gemini system for redundancy.
Gemini, Express LRS is all covered on this radio.
And Gemini module to fly big aircrafts like 104-inch freestyle crane and helicopters.
So as you can see, this isn't just a refresh.
I think this is the best radio ever I tried.
Check it out right now and dominate the skies with this new RadioMaster TX16S Mark III. Available now.
This is my RadioMaster TX16S Mark III.
TX16S MK3.
TX16S Mark III.
TX16S MK3.
TX16S MK3.
TX16S Max Mark III.
TX16S Mark III.
TX16S Mark III.
TX16S Mark III.